Okay, so this time we've got something truly extraordinary. An aerial perspective of one of the most iconic and unconventional super yachts in the world, Yacht A. This futuristic vessel cuts through the water like a vision from a sci-fi film. Designed by Philippe Starck and owned by billionaire Andrey Melnichenko, this 119-meter masterpiece redefines what a luxury yacht can be. With its reverse bow, smooth steel surfaces, and stealth-like silhouette, A looks more like a naval prototype than a pleasure craft. From above, its design becomes even more surreal, minimalist, symmetrical, and engineered to perfection. Built by Blohm+Voss and launched in 2008, Yacht A features a private beach deck, helipad, submarine, and interiors cloaked in mystery. Every angle reflects the owner's bold taste and Stark's radical design philosophy. Filmed from above with a drone, this footage captures the yacht's presence as it sails in calm waters, dwarfing everything around it with quiet dominance. Enjoy this rare look at one of the most private vessels ever built. I'll let the music take it from here.